about we make something even yummier right here at home? Let's make today a kitchen adventure day.
Mix and spin. Together we'll make a meal to win. Sugar, sugar, oh so sweet. In small treats you're a delight to meet. But too much of you and we may feel ill. So in our kitchen we cook with skill. Eat some greens, reds and blues. With every color there's good news. Grow strong and tall just like a tree. Healthy whole food for you and me. In Mommy's kitchen we cook and play. Healthy meals win the day. Goodbye junk food, hello home.
Mommy, can I add the carrots?
In our kitchen the best meals are made.